Hello guys, I'm Jason. In today's video, we're going to talk about pressure. So, what's pressure? Pressure, defined as force over area. It's the amount of force exerted to area. If A and B are exerting same amount of force to the ground, you can say A is exerting greater pressure, because the contact area is narrower than B. The SI unit of pressure is Pascal. You know blobfish? As you can see, blobfish's look changes because of a pressure difference in the deep sea on normal ground. So, individual particles of the fluid make up the fluid pressure. Now, let's talk about floating on sinking. If you ever try to lift an object in water, you may realize that the object is lighter. Why? Because of the buoyant force. The buoyant force acts in the opposite direction to the force of gravity, so it makes an object feel lighter. And the buoyant force is proportional to submerged volume of the object. In the other word, Archimedes' principle. And by comparing densities, you can predict whether an object will float or sink in a fluid. Did you know that if force is applied to a confined fluid, the change in pressure is transmitted equally to all parts of the fluid, called Pascal's principle? We can construct a hydraulic system based on the principle. And do you know how planes fly, why smoke rises up a chimney, how an atomizer works, on how a flying disc glides through the air? They are all based on Bernoulli's principle. There is more relative energy in the higher pressure area, so fluid moves high pressure to low pressure. It means you can create artificial wind blowing by creating pressure difference. Then you gotta know this. The speed of a moving fluid increases, the pressure within the fluid decreases. They are inverse proportional. So you can make low pressure on to control the direction of the wind by spinning moving fluid. This is Bernoulli's principle.